So I can see you are standing in the field. So could you define it?
This is kind of field area, and already now people planted paddy out and out completely. They planted, but now still some people didn't complete. So now I think some people are cleaning their field. Some, what we say, weeds, they, I think maybe we call, which
Wits,
is
yeah.
weeds,
Yeah, wits,
kharpatwar, or what we
yeah.
say. Yes, so
Yeah,
people, they
yeah,
uproot that.
wits.
Yes. They uproot that because without uprooting that, the, well, yield will not be good. पैदावार जिसको बोलते हैं, मतलब कि
So
धान का
are you,
पैदावार अच्छा नहीं
yeah.
होगा.
So
Yes.
are you into this work or not? You are just sitting in the field, or you also take care your field?
Why not? I also take care of my field. I know. I was given responsibility for this. Yes, now my family are in another village. They went on the purpose of working in the field because already we have planted completely paddy in our village. Now it is time to turn to plant the paddy in another village, one village, where my whole family went and they are busy. Now we are at home, three people. So we are taking care of the field. Sometimes we need to see water, like that, how much water is in the field. Everything we are checking. Every day we check, because sometimes it rains, sometimes it does not rain. So water is very important, but
Yeah.
more water also not important, because now paddy is not, didn't grow too much. That's why now water is not needing too much. So now I think less water should be. So that's why now we are checking that. But when little bit paddy will grow up, then we don't need to think whether more water will come or less water will come. But now we need to check that, because now a small paddy is available only, right? Otherwise it
Yeah,
will be,
yeah, right.
yes, like the flown, बहा जाएगा जिसको बोलते हैं.
Yeah, yeah. I know very well. So if I will give you two options, okay?
Yes.
You wanted to live in a village or you wanted to live in a city area. So I will give you two options. If you have two chance, you live in a city and you wanted to live in village. So which option you would you like to choose it?
Yes, both. If you'll ask me, have you ever stayed in the city? Yes, many times. Even I have experience to stay in the city also, because I keep going on the purpose of motivation for the students, because most of the English institutes are available in the city area, right? So there many times I live.
Yeah, right.
Even I know about city, how are the people of city, everything I know. Even both I like, but I think I can't stay for a long time in the city, because I will think about my village, like that.
So could you define it as city life and village life?
Yes.
What
Village
kind
life.
of differences can you see? Have you
I
seen
can
and can
see
you
in the
see?
city or in the village. In the village, what happens? People, they get freedom. I think they have more option to go here and there. But in the city, I think maybe when you will come out little bit far from your place, there you will get lots of noises of the people or crowdings. So I think maybe people don't get more option to go here and there from the city. They go, but I think maybe they will not get freedom quickly, right? But in the city,
Yeah,
completely
right.
freedom. Wherever you wanna go, there you can go.
Yeah, you are right. But in my case, I would like to live in a village area because it looks less of a burden, and you can breathe fresh air, and you feel calm when you live in a village. And on the other hand, when you live in a city, so it's a crowd, and people, they just go in a rat race. They just want to earn money and they want to do something on their life. They have no peace and no calmness. So yeah, it's different.
Really, this
Huge
also, yes,
difference
you
I
are
can
right.
see.
One thing you said, that is, in the city, what happens? Noise is problem. Even people, I think maybe we cannot, what to say, focus on study, especially
Yeah.
in the village area, calm, silent you will get. Yes, but in day
Yeah.
little bit noises, but at night you can think, what to say, silent at night also. But in the city also, I
Yeah.
think noises at night, right? Because all the time I think
Yeah.
maybe city people, they are busy, quiet. Also at night they work, right? But if I will tell about myself, even I also study at night. I don't study in day. My study time is very different. 3 early morning, I get up to study. When people will be sleeping, that time I study because I think that I will not get silent. You know what? The noises of the people, and I will feel very good, silent from all place, silent, and I can focus on my study like that. I think yes.
So, in this time, what are you doing
This
for
time.
education?
For education this
Yeah.
time, now I am in college, and part time I am teaching students like that. I do, even I run online class like that, and offline class also, but not regular, but online class I run. Yes, very good. Yes, like that.
Yeah, that's great because you started to teach other one, and you started to share your knowledge to other one, and they will feel thrilled because of they wanted to learn something from your side. So it is good to us, and the most people they just want to go in a city areas and they wanted to build up their career and they don't look back in their village because they get busy
Yes, yes, really.
and sometimes their parents missed a lot.
Yes,
But in this time, we are privileged. We have a network and we have social media. We can connect them easily. Yeah, this is, I can say, privilege for us.
yes,
So, what
yes.
is one thing you want to accomplish this year?
Yes, this year I think maybe I have many hobbies that I want to get this year. Yes, you know, actually already I started to learn advanced English also, because already I know about basic English, because I improved this already. Now I am thinking to learn advanced English. So this year I am thinking in this field only I will learn advanced English, and some other hobbies I think maybe I want to get. Yes, I think maybe other hobbies what can be, but I forgot one work
Yeah,
that I want to achieve in this year. I want to start one journey. I think maybe a little bit I forgot about that. But about that journey, I had seen on YouTube one person was doing. So I think maybe that hobby, I think that is kind of skills that he is getting, and he is working on that. So that hobby I also want to get this year. So I forgot a little bit. I think maybe some after some time, maybe it will come to my mind. I can tell.
yeah, it's happened. Sometimes we feel brain fog because we have lots of work on and our plate always be full. So sometimes we can't focus while speaking with anyone what kind of things we want to do it. Yeah,
Really,
it's happened with me also. Yeah.
really, there
So
are different kind of people, right? There are different kind of people.
yeah, right.
Some people they forget
Yeah.
easily, and some people they can remember something for a long time. And if you will ask me what kind of people, those people who have many works, if one person who is getting calls of the people daily, so easily that person can forget about any person easily, because he is getting many calls,
Yeah.
or he has contact, and or he has lots of work, then easily he can forget about anything. I have seen this thing many
Yeah.
times. Even I think maybe this happens to shopkeepers. When you will go to shopkeeper, they forget easily because
Yeah,
they
because they deliver their product for a daily purpose.
really
So
they sell
how
every day.
can they
Yes,
remember that? If on the other hand, if that customer they order that things daily for daily purpose, so they can remember it easily. But once in a blue, you can order it, and then you want to say like that. Customer and that delivery boy is not remember me, so how could you say that? Yeah, and if you are an elephant memory you can remember it, otherwise if you have brain fog you can't remember it.
yes,
Yeah.
yes. I think some people have this kind of problem happen even after, whether they are not getting calls of people or they are not busy in their real life. Also, I think some people have problem of forgetting something, right? But maybe
Yeah, right.
90, I think 90% of people they don't have this problem. But if they are forgetting all the same, it means they are busy in something, in some work, or they are focusing on their goal. I think maybe so that's why they forget easily. Even one day, I think maybe before 2 months we were talking. I had taken one session with one girl. So again, recently before some days we took session. So that girl was asking me, "How did you forget me?" I was not able to recognize her. That is it. So I told, because I keep getting calls of Delhi. People keep calling me. They get my videos on YouTube. They feel like talking to me. Man karta hai talking, mother talking to me. So they call me. They message me. So that's why I forget easily like that. Because I
Yeah.
had not
So
said.
you can say, how could I remember that? Because I have bigger fish to fry, so I can't remember each and everything. So, because my plate always be full. So, what is something you are very proud of achieving?
Yes, I am very proud of achieving one thing, that is English speaking fluency, even advanced English nowadays. I think maybe I have advanced knowledge, so that is proud feel for me. Advanced knowledge I am getting, that is enough. But at least I am speaking, that is also enough. But if I am speaking good English, at least, and if more than good English, if I am getting advanced English knowledge, so that is more enough for me, because I am able to teach. Even I am not able to, I am not able to speak, means I am feeling proud of myself that I am able to give speech even in thousands of people. So that is my big deal, because before I was fearing to give speech, but nowadays I can give, because already I got experience about giving speech in front of before thousands of people. That's why.
Yeah, because you gain your confidence while speaking with them,
Yes,
and
before I was
different
fearing.
people.
One
Yeah,
time I was
different
humiliated.
people, different stroke, different
You
folks.
know, one
So,
time,
I,
one time I was humiliated in the school. One time I think maybe when I was in class 6 that time. Not- that time
yeah,
I was giving a speech about one topic, Independence Day. That time I was humiliated. I was not humiliated, but people thought when I was giving a speech, I gave half speech. I was to give completely. When I was, trying to speak by myself at home before going to school for giving that speech. So that time, I was able to speak very well. But when I was speaking in before students there in the school, I gave half speech and then I forgot. That humiliated. But
yeah, it
nowadays I'm not
happened.
don't get.
Yeah.
Yes. Nowadays I don't get.
So, have you seen your mother and father? They feel proud when you become. At this time, you are becoming a famous YouTuber. So, what kind of what have you seen
Really?
when you
Yes, I am
see
feeling very
your
proud.
father
Even
and
my
mother?
family.
So, what?
Yes, even my
Yeah,
family members, they also feel.
what about your family reaction?
Yes, the reaction of my
What about
family is
your family reaction?
very good reaction they give. When I started getting viral, that time my father was out of home, means he had gone somewhere, and that time he watched my video on someone's mobile, and then he recognized me that my son is getting viral, or people are telling about my son that your son is quite popular in this field. In my area, from my caste, especially from Jharkhand, I think maybe, or from my caste, I can say. I don't know about other caste, that I think maybe in other caste except our caste, people can be English in English field, they work. They run this kind of channels. But in my caste, so we come from ST, right? We come from ST, Adivasi we are called,
Yeah,
Jharkhand, Santhal, do you know?
no, I don't know.
Yes, ST, yes. So from ST caste, I'm first person that I am on this field, in English field. No one is. And that's why I'm giving respect. I'm been given by the people, which is called respect. They give me, or I am respected by the people. So really, I feel very good by knowing this thing about myself.
Yeah,
That
that's
time I
great.
reach this.
Yeah,
Yes. Really, and I feel very good. Even I feel
yeah,
like
that's
helping
great.
people also. Nowadays many people, they are running after learning this language. They are baking. They are becoming gradually crazy to learn this language by watching my videos. So they think we should also speak like Yadu. We should also learn. So when someone
Yeah,
requests to me,
yeah,
please
you are
teach
right.
me. So really, I teach them, give them
Yeah.
ideas to learn this language. Yes.
So, in between while learning this language, like how long have you been learning this?
Yes. Can you repeat?
How long have you been learning English?
It has been, I think maybe two. I think maybe it has not been 3 years completely, but I think maybe it is going to be 3 years completely. That time I started my journey. I think
So,
completely from speaking part. I am telling when I got fluency from that time. Yes, it has been 3 years. I think maybe now so far.
so in between 3 years, have you ever regret saying something when you were angry?
No. I didn't regret saying anything. Angrily, like that,
So,
because
do you believe that you always be calm?
yes.
You are calm
Whenever
person.
whenever I have to speak, so I speak. I think maybe some people think like this. I think Jaddu must have regretted saying something angrily because he talks very sweetly. Firstly, it happens.
Yeah. And do you believe that holding our tongue it's important to us?
Yes. Really. So that's why whenever I try to talk, that time by thinking, deliberation, I talk. सोच समझ के जिसको बोलते हैं so that someone who is talking to another person, first person, second person is talking, so second person will not feel any badly, right? Both of them should talk well, like that. So that's why we need to
Yeah.
I talk by with deliberation, like that. After deliberation I talk, so that I can make another person feel good about what I said, like that.
Yeah, you're right. Because some people they have no regret while talking with anyone. Like I'm not speaking with you rudely, and but they speak rudely, but they don't realize that. So that's why I would like to ask you. You also feel the same when you were in anger?
Yes. No, I didn't say anything. Even, as many people are talking to me, they never got angry on me. Yes. They think that Jadu is very good boy, like that. They didn't. Even I talk with many girls also, talked already, so they didn't get angry on me. Even from my caste also they talk. So really, I think like that. I whenever I feel like talking, so that time I think I should talk in this way. Then other person who is talking to me will not feel angry on me. Even I will also not feel angry on her, like that. So like that. But after deliberation, soch samajh ke, like that.
So, how do you handle unexpected problem in your daily life?
Yes.
Because sometimes unexpected problems comes
Suddenly
in
come.
our life. Yeah.
Yes. Because I know, I have that much capacity to handle unexpected problem about which I don't know that it gonna happen, like that. Like that.
Yeah,
I
yeah.
think it is quite, what to say, not possible. I think for some people about unexpected problem, they think whenever it will come, I don't know. Suddenly it can come sometime. I think maybe some people they feel. I think I have seen many people even not talking to me while talking to me, but while talking to someone, they think before talking they say like that. I will not angry on you. I will not feel angry on you, or I will not get angry on you. But in between they get angry. They got angry because they don't know about unexpected problem. They have that kind of problem. It means they can get angry, but they tell like that. They feel like that. But it is not possible. But this is called unexpected problem, right?
Yeah, right. So, what is your favorite word?
Favorite word.
Yeah.
Favorite word, I have many things. Don't think that I have favorite word. I think maybe everyone has this. They say, I think maybe this kind of fashion while speaking in English nowadays. I think some people say different. You can think, you can consider. Before I was saying you can consider, like that. So, I some people
Yeah, it's
suggested me.
and while talking with anyone, it's become naturally, because I have seen when I watched Bill Gates video with Raj Samani.
Hmm.
So that time Bill Gates sir also used the same word again and again. So it will become naturally. We
Yes.
try to
Yes.
rectify, we try to cut it that word, but we can't cut it
I think
because
90% of people
we
they
get
must say
addicted.
They must say I think maybe
Yeah,
90% people. It means आप जानते हैं आप जानते हैं
yeah,
one person is coming to me
I think
like
so.
that. I
Yeah,
think so.
I
Yes,
think
yes.
so. So do
Uh,
you like idiom? Do you like idiom?
Yes, I like idioms, but mostly while speaking in my mind, idioms don't come. But and even I don't use mostly. I think maybe very less people they use idioms, right? But then no, all the same, I think using does not come to mind for using that idioms in mind. But some people they use. I think they always feel like using that. They think that I whenever I will speak only idioms I will use. I will not speak in basic. I think some people have show off problem, so they want to. I think maybe only advanced they will speak. If they don't know advanced, they will get broken in their speaking English. Like they will stop for some time like that because they have to use only advanced, not basic like that. But I think maybe some people have. But I think that whatever English will come to me, basic, advanced, I will speak. At least people can understand like that. But now I think 90% of people they use only advanced English, no basic English. But some people they speak advanced English only advanced word. Suppose I get to Delhi. I think maybe some everyone I think maybe they know the meaning of getting also means going, right? Jana, getting, understand, I got it like that.
Yeah.
But some people I think maybe beginners they can think about get means pana only, but it has different meaning. So I think maybe in different way they use this.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. It's up to us how can we will use it. And while using idioms, looks natural. Then you don't realize the other person, well, they use idiom while